freaking way, you guys. We have an Aston Martin Valkyrie here in the snow. Supercar Ron, this is insane. No way. Valkyrie in the snow. That is sick. And not only did he bring the Valkyrie, but we have the R34, the LFA, the F40LM, and the GT3RS. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Seeing an Aston Martin Valkyrie alone is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, but seeing one in the snow, man, only Supercar Ron would do something like that. Alright, we are getting into the Aston Martin Valkyrie. So as you can see, this is kind of awkward getting in. We gotta swing. Oh. Let's see here. Oh. There you go. And we're in, baby. Aston Martin Valkyrie. This is sick.
Okay,
no way.
Now look at this. Look at this. You gotta grab the steering wheel.
Okay.
Then you gotta feel how it feels to sit. So these seats are all customized. So I'm taller than you, so you're a little deeper than you might normally be. But here, feel this. Okay, I kind of slotted it there. Okay. Now it's off. Now, in order to get it off, take your two hands, slide underneath there. You can kind of feel the ring, and that releases it. See
Oh
that?
my gosh,
See that
yeah.
thing right there?
That is
Yeah.
sick.
Yeah. Here, I'll put it back on. You can slide that thing. There you go. And then just leave it in the passenger side more.
That is sick. No way. Aston Martin Valkyrie. This thing is insane. No way. This thing is like literally driving a street legal Formula 1 car. I mean, everywhere you look is carbon fiber, minimal buttons, insane steering wheel. Check this out. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Aston Martin Valkyrie steering wheel. Check this out. Now let's see how we're gonna get out of this. So we've got both of the doors open. We're gonna sit right here. No freaking way. That is sick. I mean, that was just crazy. Wow. Alright everybody, comment down below. Are you taking the LFA, the F40LM, the GTR R34, GT3RS, or Aston Martin Valkyrie? I mean, all of these are insane. I'd probably either take the LM or the Valkyrie, of course. Alright, so they've now opened the gates, and so everybody is here to check out all of the cars. This is insane. I am so glad that I got here early enough to get some footage for you guys before this happened. I mean, this is crazy. Just check it out. This is awesome. Alright, are you guys ready to see the best view of these cars that I'm going to be able to get you guys? We're coming all the way up here through the stadium. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Check it out. Alright, now we're going to come on over here. Alright, everybody, we got the Aston Martin Valkyrie pulling out right now. Everybody is surrounding it. This is insane, you guys. Look at how many people are here right now. This is crazy. No way. Love it. This thing literally looks like a spaceship on wheels, and it sounds like listen to that. This thing sounds and looks like a spaceship. My God. This is crazy. Aston Martin Valkyrie here in Utah while it's snowing. That is something you don't see every day. You guys, this car right here is insane. Aston Martin Valkyrie. On that note, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you guys in the next one.